Hi Beauty Bunnies, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I go by the name Tsholo Koushu. If you are a regular, thank you very much for stopping by once again. In today's video, we are doing a dermaplaning at home or a DIY facial at home. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell also. Hello again, guys. I present to you the face of La Chocolata. I'm kidding. So first of all, I'm going to take the bottom part of the face steamer. As you can see, it is open, and I'm going to put some water in there. After putting it, as you can see, it's full. I'm going to connect the upper part of the face steamer, close it up, make sure it's secured, and then plug it in. After plugging it in, I'm going to switch it on the power button. You see that it's green, it shows that it's on. And then I'm going to wait for the water to boil while I still look at my crusty face. Now that it is boiling, I'm going to steam my face for about a few minutes. You shouldn't steam for long because here is just to wet the face in preparation for the shaving of the face. So once I'm done doing that, I'm just trying to air dry the water a bit. I'm going to take this magnolia tissue oil. This one you can get it at Pep. Then I'm going to apply it all over my face. Once my face is fully covered with oil, I'm taking this pink foldable razor and I am unfolding it. You see, it's very clean, it's new, I've never used it before. I lift my skin up to tighten it and hold the razor at 45 degrees against my skin and start shaving. I am shaving in small strokes to avoid any cuts. I am very gentle while doing this. I make sure to not press the razor too hard on my skin. I think I'm starting to see the difference between the area that I shaved and the one that is not shaved yet. I wipe the razor with every section that I shave. Areas below your eyes are very soft. That's a very soft spot. So please be very gentle while shaving that area. The manner in which I shaved the side of the face is exactly what I did on the other side of the face. Next up, I am steaming the face, this time for real. I am letting my face steam for about 5 minutes. I am taking this Neutrogena spot controlling clay mask and I am going to apply it all over my face and neck. On a daily basis, I normally apply the Gentle Magic skincare mask. However, for the purpose of this facial routine, I am applying a clay mask to soothe the skin because it is still sensitive after the shave. I am letting the mask sit on my skin for 10 minutes and then rinse it off. The next facial product is this Garnier Vitamin C Booster Serum. Starting with the neck, I am spreading the serum evenly on my neck and moving up to my face. I can literally feel the serum penetrate my skin. It's a bit uncomfortable, but definitely worth it. Now here is the real plug for all your skincare problems. The Clicks brand Zinc and Castor Oil Cream. I love the fact that the cream is so sticky. It is the perfect base before applying the Brimley tissue oil to ensure that your face does not look oily or shiny. Speak of the devil, the Brimley Magnolia tissue oil to wrap up this facial or dermaplaning. Before we wrap up, let's seal it with a clear lip gloss. Thank you very much for watching the video till the end. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have a question or a suggestion, please leave it in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed to your channel, please do subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you get notified next time I upload another video. Bye guys.